Hello world, and welcome to There's Poop in My Soup. This is a game where you quite literally ruin people's day by pooping. He just ran into the tree. Let's poop on this guy. Oh, I missed. Well, let's do what we're told. Poop into the soup! I did it. Let's go in the box. Let's get the cans. There's a to-poo list. And the whole point of the to-poo list is that you poop into things, and the more you poop, the more... Well, I guess the more intense the music gets, since it's getting more intense the more I poop. Let's get this guy on the bike. Come on, bike guy. Oh, Mohawk guy then. Feel my poop! Okay, let's do the to-poo list. Creamy Delight? Times 3 in the trash, bounce to box, bounce to taxi, feed the baby. Under my umbrella, taxi. Creamy Delight. What's Creamy Delight? Oh, ice cream. No, don't. You little shit. Feed the baby! Feed the baby. Well, I couldn't feed the baby. Under my umbrella, I guess that is. Let's go 1, 2, 3 in the trash. Unlock times 2 people. Oh, I just got hit by a car! Okay, let's go here. And let's wait for the next taxi. No, it was far too late. Okay. Feed the baby! I fed the baby. Now let's go Bicycle Man. Missed the Bicycle Man. Okay. I'll wait for the next taxi then. Because I can... Son of a bitch, why are you coming from that side? Go from the other side! Damn! I missed him. Okay, well, to-poo list. Bounce to box, bounce to taxi. How do I bounce to box? Does that mean I have to have the umbrella person? Come on, bounce into the box. Not what I was going for, but okay. 20 packs, Monopoly Man. Oh, this guy. Monopoly Man! Eat shit. Alright. No, that was poop on the hipster. Baby and mommy combo, bounce the trash, Monopoly Man. Oh! Duggar! This guy. Monopoly Man. How does one go about doing this? Baby and mommy combo. Okay, let's just go pew, pew, pew. I'm far too far away. I can't even aim properly. I'm so bad. Oh, I'm out of poo. Well, I'm all pooed out. Let's go pew, pew, pew. Times 4 people. Because I just got the mommy daddy or the baby mommy combo and 10 packs. I don't know what 20 packs and 50 packs are. Bounce to trash though. That's what I'm going for now. And as well as bounce to box. Let's just try. I missed. Okay, that's sad. I'm sorry, I just find it hilarious every time. Every time I hit someone, it just bounces off their face. Well, that and just every time... Okay, I will get this ice cream. You little shit. Son of a bitch. I will get this. Why is it not bouncing? How do I bounce it? Do I have to, like, hit off the side? I'm just gonna rain shit down. Hope it bounces off of something. Okay, little bastard. How do I bounce? The umbrella person isn't. See, it's not bouncing off the umbrella person. Get 20 people. Okay, well, there's one. I need 20 more to poos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14? Oh, no, I think he needs 20 total. And since I have 16, I can't be that far off. Come on, Creamy Delight. This little shit. Shit. Yes! I got it! Suck on that, you little shit disturber. Okay, now that I've got the bomb is when shit's gonna get real, pardon my pun. Because now, the bomb! I unlocked Beijing. except the bounce ones. Why can't I seem to bounce it? Got the bomb here, right? Oh, I don't have the bomb? Okay, well. Oh, shit. Stop looking down. Stop looking down every time I'm trying to feed you poo. Dishonor the family. Little bastard. Son of a bitch. I believe in myself. I can do this. I know I can. Poop in a basket, poo in the dynasty? I will get my poo in there. Yes, poo in a bucket. Okay. Now I need to poop in this kid's soup. Look up, you little bastard! Okay. Look up, old man. Yes, yum yum rice. Oh, you're kidding me. Right between the guy and the cart. Okay. Now let's try knocking these down, I guess? Is that something I can do? It's not. Okay, how about this? Ulterior poop. Kung poo, sideways bounce, bounce to basket, yum yum combo. I'm gonna go for the yum yum combo. So I'm assuming to do that. Oh. Well, never mind that. Okay, so I'm assuming for the yum yum combo, I just poop in these 3 things of rice without hitting them. Grandpa, no! Well, screw you, Grandpa. Ah, that's what you get, kid. Okay, I think I got this. Nope. Yeah! The screen is bouncing! Oh, Kung Fu. Is that this guy? That's Kung Fu, okay. Sideways bounce, bounce, basket, yum yum combo. That's still not the yum yum combo? Poo in basket times 3. Oh, okay. I can do that. I hope. Damn it! Okay, that's poo in the basket combo. Poo in the dynasty. Poo in the dog. Where's the dog? Oh, yum yum combo. Okay, not gonna. The geisha facial. Are you a geisha? Do I understand what a geisha is? No, I don't. No, you're not a geisha. Are you a geisha? Are you a geisha? There we go. Geisha facial, okay. The floor is lava. How do I go about doing that one? Cartman. Going for you, Cartman. Yeah. Now I have fireworks, so let's just waste my 2 poos and move on. Alright. What's fireworks? Yes! Let the poop rain down upon them all! Oh, this is glorious, even if it's lagging to shit. Yeah, this is lagging to shit, because shit and feces and... Ah! It's funny. I'm just tossing poo now. Not even aiming where it's going. Ta-da! Have you ever noticed that this guy up here looks like Carrot Top, the guy I'm playing as? Really, to me, he looks like Carrot Top. And I don't know why. You know what? I think I'm actually going to end it here. If you enjoy this and you want to see more of There's Poop in My Soup and see the last level of Paris, then remember to hit like, favorite, and subscribe. If you enjoy this and you want to see more of There's Poop in My Soup and see the last level in Paris, then remember to hit like, favorite, and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.